Jericho, the plain valley of Jericho. I'll be there someday.
You have to be multiplied, Pastor.
Eh?
You have to be multiplied.
You know, Sister Joy, kahit anong puro ko, kung hindi ka magsasaling sikap, you will never be the same.
Yes.
Marami na akong tinuruan. Di ba nagpapatur din, but yung quality, they cannot, yung maka-level up. Kasi pagkaasa ka lang sa pakikinig, pero hindi ka mag-aaral ng sarili.
Nag-buy po ako ng book, ay nakita ko ngayon sa'yo. Nag-basa ako ng chronological.
So, Pastor, how far is Qumran?
Qumran, it's very close there in the gasoline station kung saan na nag-stop kanina. Very close lang doon sa Dead Sea kung saan tayo naligo. So like 10 minutes away from the Dead Sea kung saan tayo nag-swim. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, okay, beware of these guys. They're good businessmen, they're Bedouins. But if you want to help them, para hindi sila mangulit, you can buy small things.
Yeah.
It will help them also.